What's up, Vintage fam? I'm Ryan with Thrift Vintage Fashion, and today we're going to be unboxing a 10-pack of Mickey Disney t-shirts. This mix includes a wide range of Disney characters along with Mickey and Minnie. Like all of our wholesale packs, it includes men's sizes small to extra large with a small percentage of extra small and plus size. Let's get into it. Got all the characters on this one. The decades range from 80s, 90s, 2000s, and current. You get a good mix of all those in there. Winnie the Pooh is always really popular in here. We ship all over the world. Our main markets are in Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. We get excellent, fast shipping rates all over the world. If you are looking to shop this mix for yourself by size packs, we do offer that on the Shop for Yourself page. You can order 3 packs of each category in your size. We do include a small percentage of long sleeves in our mixes. Mickey tees are just always a staple forever. So that's it for our Mickey Disney pack. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you so much.